Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to use if-else conditions inside list comprehensions. So let's get started. Basically, if you guys do not know what is a list comprehension is making use of a for loop or a if-else condition within a nested list to create a list of a certain data type. So let's see how we make use of it. Let's say we want items or numbers from the range of 1 to 10 printed in our list. We can do that using list comprehension, that is within a single line. So let's see how to do that. What we will say, we will create a variable x and say x for x in range, and let's specify a range. So I want it between 1 to 11, that is numbers consisting of 1 to 10. So let me do that. I'm iterating for x in range, and those values are getting displayed into my list or appended into my list using the x variable. So it's as simple as that. Now all I need to do is print the value. So let me print the list, that is my list, and as you can see, we get the output of a list consisting of numbers 1 to 10. Now let's see how to make use of if-else condition. So basically there's a simple syntax that follows. If certain condition exists, then we perform that, else we perform certain other condition for the given range. So let's see how to code that. So let's say I want all the numbers that are even to be displayed, and for the position of a number that is odd, I will print the word or display the word odd inside the list. So let's see how to do that. So what I'll do is, first if x, so what I'll say is x, if x%2 is equal to 0, which means I want to append x into the list. If x%2 is equal to 0, which means if the number is even, else I want to display or append odd into the list. So let's try to understand it right over again. X, if x%2 is equal to 0, which means I want to append the number if it is divisible by 0, if it is divisible by 2, else I want to append the string odd for the given range, that is 1 to 11. So let's see how it works. So as you can see, the numbers at the position which have odd values are printing or appending odd into the list, and if the number is even, it simply appends the number itself. So basically you can apply this simple syntax into any possible list comprehension and make your customized list comprehensions in Python. So that's it from this quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.